Yo, what's up? It's your boy Mikeyyywill. We are doing 72 hours in New Orleans. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, please do. Drop some likes, drop some comments. I appreciate everything. Yes, sir. You guys know what it is. It's the city of the jazz. People just be on the streets playing their beats. I like it. People getting weird. Music everywhere. Drinks everywhere.
Yo, do a front
I'm
flip.
gushed out.
Do a front flip. Do a front flip.
It's nighttime now. We trying to find some bars. But day 2. Because I ain't getting no footage of the first night. Because we were gush. Alright, so recovering from the gush. Alright, we out here just trying to enjoy the day. But we actually took a trip to the Jet Life store. Dopest thing in the world. They actually let me fly my drone up in there. I copped a basketball. And I seen this basketball on the internet. Dopest basketball, like especially if you're a Currensy fan, Jet Life fan, you know what I'm saying? And they said it was the last one. I got it.
But it's like, yo, look where we at in New Orleans, y'all.
Yeah, so they let me find the store. And here it is. This is what the footage look like. And like, guys, like, this is not no DJI stuff. I mean, I'm flying DJI goggles, but this is a home-built drone that I've been using for a bunch of years. It's like an iFlight Cinemoop that I customized myself. And yo, let's just look at it, guys. We're in the Jet Life store, flying around. Got to fly outside. They got a cool little like patio area with some fake grass, some dope scenery. These guys did it big. Shout out to Currensy, because not too many people got their own store, and let alone the store is like doing pretty good and stuff. And it's definitely cool to see, especially in this home city. And shout out to everyone at the shop too, especially the managers that let it go down.
Boy, the famous builder Mike. Yeah, he in New Orleans, down here in the South, baby. Represent Mississippi, Hazelhurst, Mississippi on the map. Let them know, gang. Yeah. How you doing?
Yeah, we just met them guys walking the street. They saw the drone and they were so into it.
Get that
But
basketball.
yeah, now we just I had to ship that basketball home. There's no way I was taking it on the plane. But yeah, we just ripped around the city, just looking at stuff, walking around. Because like taking a car is pointless in this city. Like unless you live there, taking a car, a renting car is pointless. It's everything faster to walk. Unless you're on like mobility scooters, and like you'd probably be faster than me. But got a lot of art exhibits. Got some more musicians. We are more towards the real French Quarter side here. And it's like definitely cool to see. New Orleans is top tier city. You guys gotta go check this place out. I'm not no like crazy. I mean, I traveled a bunch back in the day. Not even back in the day, like a couple years ago. But like, this place is so live. This guy sounded pretty good. Not as loud. Didn't get my heart pumping, but sounded pretty good. Alright, we back walking again. We exploring again. Alright, going back up. You need to use a little car to go up. Use the elevator. Yo, Louis Armstrong. Alright, we're getting some dinner now. It was rocking. That is the redfish. So good. Oh yeah, so we're walking to Frenchman Street, and you're seeing a bunch of crazy stuff. And yo, some more art. People showcase their art, and it is Dizzo. I actually seen that guy the first time I was in Louisiana. This was like one of like, I don't know how many bars we went to. They killed this set. Oh yeah. These guys were doing it big. And yeah, I had my flash on. I didn't care. Yo, the crowd was into it. Oh man, this is what I'm saying about this place, man. And this is like the Frenchman Street is a hidden gem. Like, that's what a real fun be going down. It is fun over there. I don't even know who that guy was. He probably just started recording. Yo, if you know this guy, man, let him see this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, if y'all having a good motherfucker, make some noise.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're having a good motherfucker. You got to work out. You got to get it on. You got to work out. You got to work out. You got to work out. You got to. This is Bourbon Street.
Oh, we back to Bourbon Street. I just realized. I need my chicken wings. Yo, that chicken wing spot was the bomb. Alright, day 3, the last 24 hours. But yeah, it was early in the morning. We better catch a flight back. Just taking it all in the last couple minutes, last couple moments. And yeah, this is our Uber driver. She's cool. Yeah, she was talking about something. I was not there. I was mentally not there. She was cool though. We definitely gave it 5 stars. The Superdome on the way out.
Landed. He was at the jet lag, so I wasn't here. But it's all good. When he come back, when y'all come back, just know I see y'all in the jet. Yo, man. All they good, man.
That's crazy. Yo, not too many people get the chance to meet Currensy, let alone shake his hand. Shout out to all the jet laggers. Shout out to Currensy. Shout out to New Orleans. Place was dope. Gotta get back to New Jersey. And here we are, baby. Landed in Newark International. Straight booty air, man. That air stinks over there. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got more content coming soon. Everything helps, guys. Peace.